Efficient supply chain and inventory management creates visibility, ensures the required inventory levels, and can reduce waste. An electronic product order is received in the supplier system. Once approved, the barcodes on the products are scanned to ensure the correct items with the shortest expiry date are selected. The products are then packed into logistics units and uniquely identified and barcoded. The supplier sends the purchaser an electronic advice of dispatch, including the identifiers on the logistics units. The barcodes on the logistics units are scanned as the shipment is collected for transport and at the receiving location to confirm delivery. The purchaser's staff scan the barcodes on the logistics units to record receipt. The location identifier and product barcodes are scanned as the products are put in storage, and other data in the barcode, such as expiry date, is also captured. Inventory levels are updated. The purchaser's system matches the purchase order, electronic invoice, and record of goods received. Then payment is made.